Today, I'm talking about one of my favorite topics, how to start seeing yourself as the fit, confident woman you want to be. When you really want to change your life, it starts in your head before it ever shows up in your body. If you can see yourself as that fit, confident woman, really, you're halfway there. Picture yourself doing what a fit, confident woman does. When you take the time to really visualize this and feel yourself in your body, feel yourself actually feeling this way, it starts to reprogram your subconscious mind. And more importantly, it helps to guide those little tiny daily choices that you're making constantly. Next, change your self talk. Replace I can't with I'm learning to, or I'm doing this. Speak to yourself like you would a friend. And then, third, act as if. Start making the choices she would make, even in small ways. The reason I love the topic of this video so much of being that confident woman is because all my life I've been the shy, timid little girl who just wants to hide away in the corner. And that still comes out a lot. I'm still a very quiet person. I still will find myself hanging back and just listening and soaking things in rather than being in the forefront myself. But the thing that shifted it for me to where I can do things like make YouTube videos and actually stand to watch myself on the YouTube videos and just do things that I never dreamed I would have been able to do was listening to three simple words. You are enough. And knowing that I'm enough means that I no longer have to compare myself to other people. Because when we make comparisons to other people, we're either seeing ourselves as better than someone else, superior, or inferior, worse than someone else in some way. And the thing is, that never ends. Even the very top athletes in the world, they're not going to stay at that pinnacle forever. They're going to watch someone else come along and win the gold medal next time around. So if they're caught in the comparison game, then eventually they're going to be disappointed, as we all are. We're not always going to be that. And so if we get our self-worth from being the best at something or better than others at something, it's never going to be enough. It's never going to satisfy. And if we're going around feeling inferior, it's going to make us want to hide away, just like I have for so much of my life. So, what I've really learned how to do and am learning how to do is to just set all that aside and just be me and know that I am enough. And I hope that that can set you free as you're watching this today and and start knowing that you are enough in every way. If you want a simple way to put this into practice, start with my free 5-day Jeans Jumpstart Plan. And the link is right below this video.